Hello guys, we're here today to learn the new song of Billie Eilish for the new James Bond movie. It's a very easy song, only 4 chords in the whole song. The chords are E minor, okay? C7, okay? And now we're going to do an A minor 7, exactly. Chorus, the song goes like this, okay? Fuck, sorry, my bad. Oh shit! And now the verse are going to look like this. Just like this. And now the pre-chorus will go something like this. Just C and the B. Okay? Let's go step by step. So first, to play the introduction and the chorus, you're going to play an E minor. First finger in the 5th string of the 2nd fret. Middle finger in the 4th string in the 2nd fret. And we got the E minor. So you're going to play the E minor chord, but with your pinky, or this finger if you can go there, you're going to hit the in the 4th fret, the 4th string. And now you're going to play the 3rd string and the 2nd string. Okay? Just like this, okay? Next chord, you're going to do a C7, okay? C7. And you're going to put your middle finger in the 3rd fret, in the 5th string, and the 1st finger will go to the 2nd fret in the 4th string. But you're going to do the same pattern. So you're going to put your finger in the 4th fret, your pinky in the 4th fret after playing the chord, in the 4th string, 4th fret, 4th string. And play the 3rd string and the 2nd string, okay? Now the A minor, 7, okay? May seem hard because I'm saying 7, 7 this, 7 that, but the 7 chords here are very easy, easier than the normal chords. So you're going to play the A minor 7 with your 1st finger going to go to the 1st fret in the 2nd string, and with your middle finger you're going to go to the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and you're going to use your pinky after to do the same melody and go to the 4th string in the 4th fret. Play the 2nd string, the 3rd string, and now just let it ring. So you're going to put your pinky in the 4th string in the 4th fret, and play the 3rd string and the 2nd string. And now the B chord. I think it's B7. Exactly, B7. Put your middle finger first in the 2nd fret in the 5th string. Your 1st finger will go to the 1st fret, 4th string, and then your 3rd finger will go to the 3rd string. Okay? Exactly, easy, right? So this will go like this. So the next part, while singing the verse, you're going to play E minor, C7, and A minor 7, and A minor 7 again. Then you're going to go to the pre-chorus, and you're going to play the C7 and the B chord, B7. Now the chorus is the same thing as the introduction. This finger going here is kind of tricky. I don't know why. Let's do it again. Okay, again. Fuck. So I hope you enjoyed this. Listen to that. Subscribe.